Hello, this is Steven Manning. Thank you for visiting my presentation. This will be about Michael Jordan. He was he, he was born on February 17th in 1963 in Brooklyn, New York. His parents were James and Dolores. He moved to North Carolina where his parents were from. He was cut from basketball in high school trying out for the varsity team, but he did try out for another team and he made it. His college career was in his he went to North Carolina. In year one, he started as a freshman, and he hit a huge shot to help North Carolina win the championship. Year two, he played great, but the team didn't make it to the championship game. In year three, he won the Naismith and Wooden Awards for the best player in the country. He was drafted by the Bulls in his junior season. He was not the top pick. Sam Bowie went second, even though he was horrible. He he was a multiple star and three-time championship. The dream He was the member of the 1992 Dream Team and the Olympic that is an Olympic team. A few famous teammates were Larry Bird, Charles Barkley, and Christian Laettner. They won a gold medal in the Olympics. His father died in 1993. Jordan retired from basketball in 1994. After his father passed away because he was sad, it was always his dad's dream for Mike to play baseball. He tried out for the White Sox, but he played for the Birmingham Barons in a minor league team. The Bulls moved to a modern stadium where Jordan would return to the 1996 season. They lost the playoffs to the Orlando Magic, but he was back to win three more championships. The Orlando Magic had Shaq and Penny Hardaway. Jordan bought the numbers. I used subtraction with borrowing to figure out how old MJ is. I calculated he was 57 years old. He wore the number 23, making it famous. He won 6 total championships. He wore number 45 in his baseball season and half of his season back. Thank you for watching my presentation. I think this book was pretty good because it taught me a lot about what I didn't know. The documentary was pretty sad, but it showed heart and he tried to do something new and different culture. Overall, this was an amazing opportunity for me. Thank you for watching this again.